Good morning, children. So, beta, in the previous classes, we have learned how to add and how to subtract the word problems and the fill-ups on addition and subtraction. Okay. So, today we will learn multiplication. Okay. So, in the last year, so you have learned the multiplication of 3 digits numbers, 2-digit numbers. Okay. So, let us see the multiplication of large numbers. Okay, so before going to start, let us see first the properties of multiplication. Okay, so the first property is what? When a number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. That means what? If any number is multiplied by 1, so you get the same number. The product is, for example, see that multiply any number. Okay, for example, 287 multiplied by 1. What is the answer? The same number. 287 ones are 287. Okay. Now second property. When a number is multiplied by 0, see, if you multiply any number by 1, you get the number, same number or the number itself. But if you multiply any number by 0, so your product is 0. So you can take any large number or any small number and multiply them by 0. The answer is 0. For example, 2 multiplied by 0. Answer is 2. 0. Or see, here I am multiplying a large number. The product is, got it, children? So you have to remember these properties. When a number is multiplied by 1, you get the same number, or if a number is multiplied by 0, you will get the 0. One property. The product of the number does not change with a change in the order of multiplication. Means if you change the order of the multiplication, the product remains same. Okay. The product of two numbers does not change in the order of instead in the multiplication, the change in the orders is allowed. For example, see, 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4 multiplied by 5. Got it, beta? 5 multiplied by 4 is 20 and 4 multiplied by 4 is 20. Okay. Is equal to got it, children? The fourth property. Regrouping of changing in the order means if you multiply 2 or more than 2 numbers. Okay, so you can regroup the number and then multiply. And every time you will see the product is same. Regrouping and changing the order. Changing the order of numbers. Does not change the product of the see beta, what happened? And the name of this property is associative property, where you have to multiply many numbers. Okay, so for that you can regroup the numbers and then multiply. For example, 8 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. So you can multiply first you can multiply 8 and 3, and whatever the product you get, multiply it by 7. Okay. Or if you wish to multiply 3 into 7, get the product and then multiply it by 8. Or you can do 8 multiplied by 7 and the product then multiply it by 3. Okay, so multiply this 3 and check whether you will get the same answer or not. Okay, so you will get the same answer if you change the order of the sequence, or if you regroup the numbers and then multiply, then change. Okay, change the order of multiplication, so every time you will get the same answer. And this property is known as beta associative property. Got it, children? Okay. And the last property Okay, to multiply a bigger number. Okay, so you can break the numbers and then multiply. Okay, so bigger numbers can be divided into smaller numbers. Okay, means you can divide the bigger number into smaller and then multiply. For example, see better. Suppose you have to multiply 24 multiplied by 25. So how we can do it with a, you can do like this, 24 multiplied by, here I am writing this 125. So can I write 125? 100 plus 20 plus 5. Can you write this number like this? 100 plus 20, 120, 120 plus 5, 120. Okay. Now, okay, it is also known as beta. Here you can see multiplication or over addition. Distributive property of multiplication over addition. So here you have to distribute 24 with each number enclosed in the bracket. So it is what this property is also known as distributive property of multiplication. Here is the addition. Therefore, it is over addition. Okay. See, so what to do? First, you will multiply this 24 into 100. Plus sign. Okay. Then multiply this 24 and this 20. This plus. Then multiply this 24 or distribute this 24 with this 5. Now multiply each term and then add. See what you get. 24 into 100, 2400 plus 24 twos are 48, 480, and this 0. And 24 fives are 120. Okay, add all them. So what do you get? First. Got it, beta? Okay, now let us solve some questions on multiplication. So here you have to use the properties of multiplication. First question. It is fill in the blanks. Two 875 So children, here you have to use the properties of multiplication. Okay. Say children, answer is 0. So see the second property. When any number is multiplied by 0, you will get the answer 0. So what should be here? Yes, here is 0. Now see children, this number is multiplied by an unknown number and the product is the same number. Product is what? Same number. So what should be here? Second, 8,278 multiplied by 0. What is the answer? Here, 1 is multiplied by this 8,288. So what should be the product? Now see children, 7,125 into 311 equals to 311 multiplied by what? So you have to write the number so that these two hands, left hand side and right hand side, becomes same. So see, whatever you see in the left side is equal to the right hand side. So here you have to apply the third property. If you change the order of the multiplication, the product remain same. Now see children, dash multiplied by 2,200 is equal to 4,200 into 8,075. So here also you have to apply the third property, commutative property. Now see children, here you have to multiply three numbers, 72, 50 and 8. And see, here the regrouping means here you have to apply the associative property. Okay children, so these questions you have to solve. So bye bye beta.